Hello everyone, welcome once again. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about the 10 main things to remember whenever life gets hard in your marriage. Whenever you feel like marriage is hard, whenever you feel like giving up, this down here are 10 things to remember and to think about. So, if you'd like to speak to someone, go to noraarake.com/booking and book your appointment. To purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. And if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button down below and on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Part of life are hardships, challenges. You cannot control them, neither can you choose when to experience difficulties and when not to. However, one thing you can control is how you cope with them. Although rough times in marriage are hard times and are painful times, you can surpass each difficulty that comes your way when you remind yourself of certain truths and facts. So, here are the 10 things to remember every time marriage life becomes hard and challenging. Number 1, you have not failed. It's just an opportunity to learn and to play your cards better. You have to understand that difficult times in marriage do not mean failure. If anything, they mean opportunity. Opportunity that will make you become better. Opportunity that will make you question why this and this happened and how to correct it. Opportunity that will make you wake up. Opportunity that will make you find the answers to how to change, how you contributed to something happening, and how to reverse, how to uproot the cause. Opportunity to succeed and to make a better decision and better decisions in recurring circumstances. Number 2, it's only a problem if you think it is. Happiness in marriage depends on your own perspective. Some of the things you imagined in your head become real. Hence, you see them as problems or challenges. Happiness in marriage comes from you, comes from within you. If you decide not to see something as a problem, to see it like something which is going to pass, it indeed passes. If you decide to see it as a mountain which is there to stay, it will stay. It all starts here and manifests. Number 3, you have made it through other more rough situations. Remember all the stressful moments you've gone through in the past in your marriage. Remember them, they are there. I don't know them, you know them. It's not different this time, my dear. It is the same. It is going to pass. If you developed the strength to scale through the previous hard situations and challenges, it means you can still do it again. Number 4, remember, if you haven't got something that you want out of this marriage, you have waited and waited to get something that you want, continue patiently waiting. Something better is coming. The Lord is cooking. Difficult times come with positive outcomes eventually. God's timing is the best. If you want it now, He says no, you will get it later. Number 5, if you want things to change, you have to start by changing yourself. Remember, you cannot make your spouse change. Your spouse will change on their own. depending on how you are, depending on what you portray, depending on what you represent, depending on how you carry yourself, depending on what you stand for. Our spouses don't change because we love them. They change because they love us. We change because we love our spouses, not the other way around. So, do you want anything to change in your marriage? Change yourself. Do you want your spouse to change? Change yourself. Things are going to work out fine. If you want something to be done differently, adjust somewhere. Check yourself and adjust. Trust me, it is going to work out. Number 6, never compare your marriage to others. Every day we know that grass is greener on the other side, which is an illusion. Because you're not there on the other side. The day you go on the other side, you will realize that grass is greener where you were before, where you left to come on this side. So stop comparing your marriage to other people's marriages. Everything in marriage becomes easier if you stop comparing yourself and concerning yourself with what everybody else's marriage is. You are only your competition. Stop focusing on what everyone else is doing. Focus on your marriage. Number 7, everyone gets through these problems. Everyone has a different set of problems they have to go through. Everyone has their own path to happiness, to reality, to realization. Tough times are universal. Tough times in marriages are universal. Stop feeling being overwhelmed and alone. Every marriage goes through rough patches at one time or another. You are not alone. Knowing this will help you feel better. Number 8, tough situations make marriage life better. The greatest joy in marriage comes not from avoiding problems, but from dealing with them, from facing them head on. Even if you fail to solve the problem on your first try, give it a second run. The joy of discovering some of your capabilities and potentials in marriage, in your marriage, will keep you going and make you stronger. Strong enough to desire to attempt any more challenges to come. Number 9, your partner cares about you. Look, no matter the situation, you and your partner are one. Whether he is the problem or the challenge, whether she is the problem, the obstacle, or the challenge, whatever it is, he or she cares about you. He or she is on your side. Always remember that you are not alone in this marriage. You are not alone. You are with your partner. Whether they've done the mistake or not, they still care about you. And that they want to help you in this time of distress, whether they are the ones who have caused it or not. Do not be deceived by the way they are reacting to the situation, especially when they are the cause of the distress. They still care about you and they want to work this out. So it will depend on how you react to the situation that you will get them to sit down and share their mind with you. You are not alone in this. It's a marriage. You have a partner. You are with them in this. Number 10, you are not a victim. The truth is, you are only a victim of your thoughts, your words, and your actions. You are not the victim. Don't make yourself a victim with what you think, what you decide, what you talk. Do not make a victim. Like I always say, your words can make or break your marriage. Be careful how you react to different situations. You are not a victim. and do not make divorce an option in any situation, whether it's financial, sexual, faithfulness, whatever it is, in-laws, whatever it is. Sit down and talk about it. Come up with a situation. Remember that your partner is on your side. Once you remember that your partner is on your side with whatever decisions they are making, whether they seem wrong to you or not, they are different. Opt for dialogue. Help your partner understand where you're coming from. You are not the victim. Don't make your marriage the victim as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to my family. Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Bye.